Hey there, mommies! A happy rainy day to all of you. So, what we're going to check today and learn is kung paano ka makakapaglagay ng resume mo sa application mo, especially sa onlinejobs.ph. So, when you go and apply for a job sa onlinejobs.ph, when you click this one and you go to the actual job board, you can see here na there is no way for you to attach, to put an attachment. And kaya nga meron sila nito na if you want to send a file, you can learn how. But if you click this, it will actually give you a video using Dropbox. Now, what if wala kang Dropbox? Ano yung alternative na pwede mong gawin? So, today I'm going to show you how you can send in your resume kahit hindi ka gumagamit ng Dropbox. Okay? So, first and foremost, let's go to your resume first. And you have to save this as a PDF file. So just save it as a PDF muna. And then save mo lang siya. Okay. Tapos, ayan. So ayan na siya. May Word file ka na, may PDF ka na. And then what you're going to do is on your drive, open mo yung drive mo. And then here, pwede mo siyang i-drag. So, i-drag mo lang siya. And automatically, mapupunta dito yung resume mo. Now, you can create a folder if you want na magkakasama silang lahat, or you can just put it sa main page, then it's all up to you. But for the sake of this video, this tutorial, lalagay ko lang siya sa main page. So, nakikita mo, andito na siya. Now, for you to be able to put it sa cover letter mo, kailangan gawin mo siyang visible. Kasi yung information mo or yung lahat ng files mo sa drive, that's personal, hindi private siya. So hindi siya nakikita ng public. So you have to make this public para maibigay mo kay client. The thing is, you don't have to make it public for everyone. So you can set it as available lang. So mavo-view lang nila if they have the link. So that's what we're going to do. So you can link this. Okay, so click mo lang to, and then, ayan. So as you can see here, sasabihin nito na anyone can view basta meron sila nung link. So to get more parang in-depth setting, pwede mo siyang i-click, and then when you click, yan, lalabas siya. So, pwede mo manually i-type yung email addresses nila. But the thing is, when you're applying sa onlinejobs.ph, hindi mo naman alam yung email addresses. So, we just need the link. So, i-copy mo lang yung link. And then, when you go back to your onlinejobs.ph cover letter, since dito mo ilalagay yung cover letter mo, pwede mo ditong ilagay siya sa message, pwede rin sa contact info. And then, makikita na siya ni client. So, there you have it. You don't need to get a Dropbox kung wala ka. If you have a Gmail account, you can easily link yung resume mo para makita ni client. So, that's an easy tip for you. And good luck on your application. If you have questions na hindi mo alam kung paano gawin regarding online jobs, just feel free to message me again. And yeah, if you don't want to leave it as a comment, you can personally message me. And yeah, please do subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks so much for watching.